Oh my gosh. Sort of three things came to me. The first was that the darkness helped me see three things. The joy is the natural state. Most of the time I was spent in just laughing to myself. And the second thing was that we have all so much power within us, but we forget it. And then the third one is that darkness shows you where to shine your light. So I had many inspirations throughout the period. They were very clear insights about my purpose, about how I can help people more, about what skills need to be developed, and what's really important to me as well. But I think on the whole it was just a lovely experience. Quite early on I realised that I need to flow with whatever was there,